Okay, today's topic is NTFS disk. What is the full form of NTFS? New Technology File System. New Technology File System. What is meant by New Technology File System? It is also a one type of file system. Okay, it is also a one type of file system. What is the use of this new technology file system means? It is used for, okay, NTFS is used for Windows Vista operating system. Main purpose of why we are using means it is used for Windows Vista operating system. Okay. After NTFS created, okay, first of all we have to create a new technology file system. After creating created after Windows, first of all, first created NT means Windows NT first created means Windows new technology first created. Afterwards only Windows new technology file system was created. Okay. Lastly, one point is Windows new technology was launched by Microsoft. Okay, launched by Microsoft. And again, what is the differences between Windows new technology and new technology file system means a small changes means a small configuration changes. Only some configuration changes in both new technology and new technology file system. Only small changes. Only configuration is changes in between two. Okay, what is the new technology file system features means we are using previous new technology. Afterwards we are using new technology file system. Only some features we are including. Okay, what are the features we are included means Microsoft project. Okay, Microsoft project for IBM. Okay, what we are included means Microsoft project for IBM means OS2 operating system 2. Okay, all these new technology file system features included. One thing is Microsoft project for IBM operating system by 2, it is called as high performance file system. All this we called it as a high performance file system. Shortly we call it as HPFS. Okay, and another point we are included is an international data format we are using. Okay, international data format. Okay, international data format we are using, we call it as a Unicode. Okay, we call it as a Unicode. This Unicode is used only by new technology file system. Okay, we are used for only Unicode is used by only new technology file system. Okay, an international data format is there. Data format is capable of, okay, we are using data format is capable of using 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit and so on, and 64 so on. We call it as a UTF-8, UTF-16, UTF-32. Okay, what is meant by UTF? Okay, Unicode transformation format. Unicode transformation format. Okay, in Unicode transformation format we have characters. Okay, we are using alphabet characters. The characters are look like Western language. Okay, Unicode transformation format characters are look like Western language. Okay, next, UTF-8 is similar to ASCII format, American Standard Code Information Interchange. Like, what is meant by ASCII means it is used for such searching techniques. We are search for any keyword, any keywords. Okay, ASCII format is visible to us and search for keywords for determining the evidence located on a disk. Okay.